Today we'll be discussing on the title What You Were Not Told About Amazon KDP, okay? Publishing on the platform. These things I'm going to say here are the real truth and they contain tips and tricks. So, on how to succeed on the platform. So, as I'm speaking, you have to be picking them, okay? The first thing you were not told about the platform is that there is a lot of money on the platform. Every month, Amazon receives over 2 billion visitors. Amazon KDP is a product of Amazon.com. So, whenever you publish any new book, that book is being shipped to Amazon. According to Statista website, in December 2023, Amazon.com had approximately 2.27 billion combined website visits. What this means is this that people that visited Amazon to buy some things from the website on December 2023 is about 2.2 billion. This tells you that there is a lot of traffic on that platform. And know this Amazon KDP is a product of Amazon. So when self publishers publish books through the platform, those books are being pushed to Amazon.com, where people that come to buy other items can have access to them. You understand? Take for example, somebody comes to Amazon to buy soap making equipment. He typed that keyword, soap making equipment, on the Amazon search engine. If you have a book on soap making, that book is likely to get to the eyeball of that visitor. Okay? So, and somebody may be moved to go and buy a book and buy that particular book alongside the equipment he or she wants to buy to get knowledge. So, publishing on the platform is a way to make money. So, because there is a lot of money on the platform, if you're interested in publishing or you're already publishing, you need to keep on because you make more money as your books get to more eyeballs. The second thing you are not told about Amazon KDP is that account termination is real. Yes, they don't play over there and they take things seriously. Okay, so if you go there to game the system trying to be a bad actor, they will end up terminating your account. Though sometimes we know they make mistake, but larger percentage is because they go against the rule. Number one is picking some text or some images that are freely available on the web and trying to use it to publish your book. And this rule change over the years and over the time. So if you go there and do not play safe, your account gets terminated. So that's another thing you were not told that you need to be aware of. Another thing you were not told about the platform is that it takes time to make money there. Yes, I've seen a lot of self proclaimed coaches on so many social media platforms. Some will tell you make money on Amazon KDB without writing. How possible is it? You see, a lot of these guys are misleading the people out there. They will tell you you publish a book this month, you make millions of dollars, you make thousands of dollars within that same month. It sounds funny, honestly, but it's unfortunate that some new beginners fall prey to that. So don't go there and think that you make huge good amount of money when you're just starting out. Give yourself time, at least 6 months to 1 year. You'll be having something reasonable. So far, you are publishing books that people want to buy. Even if it's $200 in a month or $300 in a month as a beginner is something. So, but the message here is you need time, all right? Publishing the same book, the same copy, the same content of a book with another person is against the rule. I used to say this, don't be deceived, because so many people will come because they want to make small money from you. They want to rip you off. They will tell you they will give you about 1,000 books, already written books. That same book they will give to you is that same book they will give to another person. Is that same copies of book they will give to another person. If you go ahead and publish that book because you want to make money quickly on the platform, and another person publish the same copy of book in his own account, you're at risk. Number one is that Amazon will block that book because they are seeing a copy of the same book on another person's account. If we try playing again, playing the same trick, dirty trick, then they will end up terminating your account. So they take that platform seriously and they take it as business. So don't go there to mess that platform up. So that's another truth you need to know. If you're outsourcing the work you want to publish, talk to the writer, to the ghostwriter, please. This copy should be sent to me and only me alone. Because if he sends that same copy of the book to you and send the same copy to another person, you're endangering your account. Okay? And that may end up getting your account terminated. Another truth you need to know about the platform is that low content books or no content books are hard to sell. I keep on repeating this in most of my videos on self publishing on Amazon or even other platforms. When something is easy to make, you see a lot of people going into it. That's the reality of life. So, because there are lots of people that publish the same type of book, you will find it difficult to sell. Even if you run ads on that low content book, there's still people who publish the same low content book that are still running ads. So in that situation, you find it difficult to make sales. I used to see a lot of videos on YouTube platform, this platform telling you publish low content book, make money within 2 minutes, within 1 month, within 3 months, within 3 days. It's difficult, bro. Don't go there. It's difficult. There are lots of low content book that are saturated on Amazon platform. So save yourself that time, all right? Instead of going for something low, for something of high quality. Another thing you're not told about the platform is high content is good. Yes, high content books are good. So far, people that want to buy that kind of high content book are much. You make money. Imagine me publishing a book of about 500 pages and someone that published a book of about 16 pages, compare the two. And then my 500 pages book has high sales potential. I'll make money. No evil, no devil can stop that. Okay, so when you're focusing on content books, give yourself time. You'll make money from that book more than low content. So instead of you going for low content books, focus on high content. Give it time. Take your time to build it, even if it takes you 2 months to build it. So far, it's something that have potential to sell, that are proving that people are buying this kind of title. You will make money. All right. Another thing is this, publishing anything that comes into your mind would make you money. When you're going into Amazon KDP, know that you're going there for business. You're not going there for hobby, unless if you want to go there and waste your time. But if you are going there with the aim of making money, then don't publish anything that comes into your mind. Once you have any idea on a book you want to write, go to Amazon and start entering the keywords to know if people are really searching for that. If they're already searching for that, you know, okay, it's cool. But when you're entering the keywords that make that particular title up and it's not suggested to you by Amazon that people are already searching for this, Stay clear, okay? Don't waste your time. Don't just try and waste your time there, okay? Because it will not sell to your satisfaction to bring you good amount of money, okay? So if you can still afford Publisher Rocket, which is a tool for self-publishers, you can get that. Okay, so that will give you ideas on some books that sell when you type some keywords. It gives you this is the volume of people that are searching for it, and people that already publish book on that particular title. This is how much they make on average on monthly basis. All right. Another thing you are not told about self-publishing on Amazon KDP, the things you need to know, the truth and nothing but the truth is that there are so many self-proclaimed coaches out there that don't know what they are doing. Yes, I used to see a lot of Facebook my ads on Amazon KDP. They'll come and tell you they make $2,000, they made $5,000, they made $10,000 in 3 days. That you should come to their Telegram group and so that they will teach you where you pay some amount of money. They may charge you, maybe they will say they may tell you that you pay that is free at the beginning. And at the end, they will tell you when you enter, they will tell you, okay, you're going to pay like $50 or $20 or $30. Those guys don't know what they're doing. Most of them do not know what they're doing. Most. They're just there to cash in on you. Some of them went to the platform, Amazon KDP platform to publish. They couldn't make money, but because they didn't know what worked there, because they don't know what really works, what really sells. You see them, they come over and they go over to Telegram and create groups, WhatsApp and create some groups. Start bringing people in to read them off. Somebody that makes real money on Amazon, most people that makes real money on Amazon KDP don't have time. Yes, that's the truth. Most of them don't have time to collect some money from you to teach you. They don't. Most of them don't have time. They are just always thinking of what title do I publish next to make money. So, when you see all these self-proclaimed coaches or publishers, they will feed you with a lot of lies. At the end, you will see that what they are telling you, you are not going to, you do not make money. You can try it. So I've seen a lot of them, and once I get to their Telegram group, I'll blast them. Stop spreading fake news. How can you tell somebody you come to Amazon KDP in a month you have started making $10,000? Is that practical? A lot of lies out there. So please be mindful of them and don't fall prey. All right. I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel. Here we discuss technology. We talk about how to use computer, iPhone, self-publishing, and YouTube education for content creators who want to grow. All right. So subscribe to learn one or two things from this channel. Hit that like button, the one that points up like this, okay, so that YouTube recommend this content to more people. If we don't do that, there's no how the system will know that this content is helpful. All right. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video. Do you think that these that are being said here are true? If they are not, or you have some other things you need to say for the people out there, self publishers to know, drop that in the comment section. Watch this video to learn more on how to make more sales on Amazon KDP. Thank you and see you some other time.